Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Neo Maruatuna. The JSE ended the day up by almost 2% on 32,930. Sorry, guys. Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Neo Maruatuna. The JSE ended the day up by 1.68% on 32,954 points. We spoke to Julian Wenzel for Mercury, looking at the move from emerging markets to developed markets.
Too early to say we've broken trend, but certainly I think there's a change in view in terms of the risk trade, in terms of emerging markets. I think Egypt has certainly reflected that there is political risk inherent. So I think people looking at the equity risk premium they're applying to emerging markets and reassessing that. And also I think the value paradigm of the developed world is certainly coming to the fore. If one looks at, you can buy stocks, the Unilevers of this world, the Crafts of this world, the P&Gs of this world, Colgates of this world, at significantly lower multiples than you can pay for, say, Tiger Brands for that matter. The value paradigm has just got too stark.
On the other hand, the NEC ended the day up by 1/3% on 26,682 points. We spoke to Bankule Odisanya of United Bank of Africa.
Market closed positive today because we had the companies outside the banking sector do very well today. I'm talking of companies like Nigerian Brewery, Ashika Cement, Dangote Sugar, and then Barco. This is very good for the Nigerian Stock Exchange because it's a little bit of a shift from what we had in the past, where banking stocks just dominated the level of activities. I'll go on further to say that there's been increased level of activities since they increased the duration of trade from 2 to 4 hours. We've had increased level of trade to about the tune of 32%. That's increase in volume done.
And lastly, the NEC 20 closed flat to the positive to end the day on 4,327 points. For an update on the market, we spoke to Wayaki Hinga of Wayaki and Associates.
You have to look at it the way the trend the market has been, and there have been positive news. You notice that one of the companies that announced a profit in terms of owing to its previous years, that was South Africa Cables. Then there's been a lot of sentiment in terms of very high volumes as far as prices for tea have gone, prices for coffee. So that if you notice, like some of the agricultural counters, Sasini was actively traded. So that has also contributed a lot to the positive aspect within the market.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.